Is it time to buy or sell XLE ETF? In this video, we will explore XLE in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 28th of January, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since January 23, 2025, our system has classified XLE as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.85. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 2.93% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average loss of 0.73% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decline of approximately 4.46% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 12.93% to positive 0.545%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates an anticipated change of 0.434% over the next year, with a possible return varying between negative 6.45% and positive 10.44%. This would correspond to a price range between $83.72 and $98.84 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for XLE features the headline, XLE ETF price down 1% on Tuesday. The XLE ETF price decreased by 1% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 28th of January, 2025, falling from $90.40 to $89.50. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the previous trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 2.13%, ranging from a low of $89.06 to a high of $90.95. Over this period, the price has seen significant volatility, with a loss of 0.95% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive indicator as volume typically aligns with ETF movements. On that day, trading volume fell by 2 million shares, totaling 14 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.21 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $98.97, while the lowest was $82.41. Currently, the price is 9.57%, or $9.47, below the 52-week high of $98.97, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Recent discussions surrounding XLE, the Energy Select Sector SPDR Fund, highlight a cautiously optimistic outlook for the energy sector. As we approach the year 2025, crude oil prices remain elevated due to increasing global demand and significant investments in offshore production. This renewed focus on energy production, particularly with the current administration's inclination to loosen drilling regulations on federal lands, positions energy firms for potential gains in the coming months. Doug Racklin of Neuberger Berman expresses a strong sentiment towards energy transition and infrastructure, marking a pivotal shift from the lackluster performance of 2024. Energy ETFs, including XLE, are being promoted for their potential to deliver substantial returns as they capitalize on this resurgence. Additionally, the broader market environment could experience volatility as Donald Trump's administration embarks on new policies that may favor certain sectors while challenging others. This landscape requires investors to remain vigilant as regulatory changes influence market dynamics. In the short term, these developments can bolster investor confidence, potentially driving XLE's stock price upward. Conversely, any setbacks in policy implementation or unforeseen global events could have immediate negative repercussions. Long-term prospects appear promising, with a growing emphasis on energy transition driving sustained interest in energy stocks. This cyclical nature of the energy sector necessitates a strategic approach by investors who must monitor both regulatory landscapes and market trends. The following signals have been identified for XLE. The XLE exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the fund, suggesting a positive forecast. With further gains, the fund will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $91.80. Conversely, if the fund declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $88.67. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been generated, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, January 17, 2025, and so far it has declined by 4.74%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for XLE. XLE finds support from accumulated volume at $88.04, a level that may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements and maintains good trading volume, leading to a medium risk assessment. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.90, which represents a change of 2.13%. In the past week, the average daily volatility for the ETF has been 1.7%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for XLE. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for XLE is at $90.36. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, XLE faces its first support level at $88.04. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $84.91, reflecting a decline of 5.13%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 6 days ago. Is the XLE exchange-traded fund a good investment? While XLE shows several positive indicators, we do not believe they are sufficient to classify it as a buy option at this time. Currently, it would be better regarded as a hold or accumulate position while we monitor upcoming developments. Upon examining the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 29th of January, we anticipate that XLE will open higher by 33.5 cents, starting at a price of $89.84. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.